Have you ever heard of earning money by typing CAPTCHAs? It may sound too good to be true, but it's a legitimate way to earn extra income online. CAPTCHAs are the tests you see on websites that require you to identify letters or numbers to prove that you're a human and not a bot. Many businesses use these CAPTCHAs to prevent spam or fraudulent activity, but computers can't always solve them. That's where humans come in. The first website you can earn money by solving CAPTCHAs is CAPTCHA.com. It's not the highest paying website, but it's a great place to start if you're new to CAPTCHA solving. For every 1,000 CAPTCHAs you solve, you can earn $1. This may not seem like a lot, but it can add up quickly if you're able to solve CAPTCHAs quickly and efficiently. To get started with CAPTCHA.com, all you need to do is create an account and start solving CAPTCHAs. You don't need any experience or special skills, and you can work from anywhere in the world. The website pays you instantly through various payment options, including PayPal and WebMoney. Second website you can earn money by typing CAPTCHAs is megatypers.com. This website pays its users regularly and has a worldwide community of people who solve CAPTCHAs. The website claims that you can earn typer credits worth over $200 per month just by solving CAPTCHAs. Again, this may not seem like a lot of money, but it can be a good source of side income. The highest paying website for CAPTCHA solving is colatibablo.com. This website has been operating since 2007 and has a reputation for being reliable and accurate in tracking your progress and payments. The website pays its users instantly through various payment options, including Bitcoin, Payza, and ADV Cash. colatibablo.com also has a referral program, where you can earn a commission for referring new users to the website. While CAPTCHA solving can be a good way to earn extra income, it's important to note that it may not be a sustainable source of income on its own. That's why it's always a good idea to have multiple streams of income, whether it's through a part-time job, freelance work, or investing in the stock market. However, if you're looking for a quick and easy way to earn some extra cash, CAPTCHA solving can be a great option. It's always important to do your research and find reputable websites that pay their users fairly and consistently. With a little effort and persistence, you can turn CAPTCHA solving into a reliable source of side income. If this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. It is helpful. Okay, that's it for today. See you in next time. Goodbye.